Well, the street closing controversy is coming to an end in Northville after a new ruling today. A judge now ordering the downtown streets to open to traffic within just 6 days, calling the street closures of Main and Center Streets illegal. 7 News Detroit reporter Christiana Ford listened to community members about the downtown dispute back in May. Well, now that judge has made her ruling. Christiana is back there talking to people who are both for and against the decision.
These retractable bollards close off parts of downtown to drivers and open them up to pedestrians. Now a judge says they need to come down.
I think it's time to open them up. It's really nice to have the streets blocked off.
In Northville, the response to these depends on who you ask. But a decision has been made on the bollards blocking off drivers from parts of Center and Main Streets in the downtown social district.
Disappointed.
For me, it's good news.
After a now 2-year court battle between nonprofit Let's Open Northville and the city, a Wayne County judge ruled they have to come down.
The premise of the whole matter was that they violated both the constitutional and the state rights of our members and the residents of Northville by taking of the streets. And that was affirmed by the judge. She found a constitutional taking. She found that they didn't follow the state procedures, specifically the Condemnation Act and the Land Division Act, procedures that you would need to follow as a city if this was something you were going to do.
The closure, which began as a pandemic measure, evolved into a seasonal tradition, beefing up the social district, was set to last until November, with businesses like Center Street Grill investing money into their outdoor space.
I had hoped that we might been able to just continue this until the end of this season and then make the change, because it's difficult for the businesses, particularly the restaurants.
Now the city has just days to make changes. City Manager George Lahanis said in a statement they'll work to comply.
The visitor coming into downtown will see no difference.
Kate Knight, director of the Downtown Development Authority, says all 45 plus events will go on as planned, and they're working with businesses to transition to platform dining within parking spaces.
We have a kit of parts on hand that we'll implement in the meantime to comply with this quick turnaround to open for vehicular traffic, but we're really undaunted by the challenge of accommodating for our downtown businesses.
The city can still close streets for festivals, parades, and special events, exactly how some community members and business owners like it.
They'll have much freer access. They'll have much more available parking. There'll be less congestion in the residential areas that was going around the central business district.
Others are waiting to find out whether the city will file an appeal. In Northville, Christiana Ford, 7 News Detroit.
All right, thank you so much, Christiana. Now, Christiana is dedicated to bringing us stories from the Northville community. If you have a story idea for Christiana, email us at tips@WXYZ.com or reach out to Christiana directly at christiana.ford@WXYZ.com. Mike?